Hi friends, today I'm going to be cleaning and rehabbing these two bags. They are both vintage. This is a bag from Saks Fifth Avenue, made in France, and what I like about it is that the interior is leather, and what I don't like about it, it's very damaged. It's going to need a lot of work, and I'm starting today with some cleaning. This is a beautiful bag. It says Caiman, and it is from Argentina, and apparently it is made out of snake skin, and it looks like alligator, and Caiman in Spanish does mean alligator, so it's very old, vintage, but it could be a very nice bag. So I'm going to start with this Kiwi brand leather lotion, and it is for cleaning, conditioning, and refurbishing leather, and it prevents drying and cracking and leaves a soft luster. So I'll start with this, and I'm going to be using this terry cloth sponge and this Cadillac brush. So while the cleaner is drying, now I'm going to use some spray, and all this is just vinegar and some dish soap, and I'm just going to spray the brush and the towel, and I'm going to use this to clean the hardware on here. So I just scrub it and use my little towel with some vinegar and dish soap to just clean it off, make it shiny and super clean again. So now we'll go ahead and brush off the lotion and buff it out. Okay friends, I don't know if I could salvage this bag. It's disintegrating here, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna use this adhesive, super tight adhesive, and see if this will work. I'm gonna use butterfly clips and try to glue this back together. This is a really old vintage bag from Saks Without You, but it's just so nice. I hate to see it go to waste. All right, so I'm gonna get some of this glue and just put it in there. And hope this works to seal this. And okay. I'll use 2 of these. And this should dry clear, but if it doesn't, I could always just go back and paint it black. On there. Goes in first. And I'm just gonna clip it. Sure it's nice and tight. I love these butterfly clips because they hold it tight while it dries. Try that. Clean this glue off. I want it to be too obvious. I want it to look like new. So just that. Get this glue off of this brass hardware. All right, should do it. Okay, so I noticed that this bag is a lot more worn than I anticipated, and even though this part looks good, the handle looks very worn in some places, so I'm just gonna add some black shoe dye and see if that covers up that worn part and helps it to look a little bit better. Besides that, it's worn, it just, the color underneath the leather looks kind of brownish, so this will help make it look newer. It's just black dye, and along the edges as well. So just wanna, I already conditioned it, so this will just enhance it, and then maybe I'll put some polish at the end. just a really nice bag, and I hate to see it go to a landfill when it just needs a little bit of care. Okay, just let this dry. Okay friends, there's one more thing that I want to do to these vintage bags, and that's I'm going to polish with this Renovateur, and it's really fast. I'm just going to use my fingers to just spread some of this lotion on here, and just like it because it gives it a really nice shine, and it's very fast to do. Doesn't require a lot of effort, and it'll just make it all worth it. So slap it on there, and this only takes 5 minutes to dry. So I just like to do one side, and then I come back and do the other side. A little bit goes a long ways. Just make sure to spread it out. It's a little bit expensive, but it lasts a long time because you only need a little bit. So just let that dry for about 5 minutes, and then flip over, do the other side. All right, so the last step is just brushing and then polishing. So I just use this horsehair brush. And this just gets all the polish in all of the little grooves and makes it shiny. Hi friends, this is the finished bag, and this is what the interior looks like. This is an alligator skin and snake skin interior from Argentina. And it has a pocket here. And this was all washed and conditioned and polished. It has a few pockets here. It's vintage. This alligator on the outside, so you can see the pattern on here. The handle was pretty worn, so I did have to fix it up. And this is the other alligator bag that I rehabbed, and this is a bag from Saks Fifth Avenue. It is a leather interior made in France, and this is an alligator skin exterior with feet, and it is vintage. It is very old, and as you can see, I repaired the bottom part, the handle, and these are both ready.